Hello everyone. In today's module of the Facebook marketing course, we're diving into the heart of successful Facebook marketing, content strategy. I'm Mohammed, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with strategies to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why content strategy is so crucial. Your content is your brand's voice on Facebook, and a well-thought-out strategy ensures that your message is heard and remembered. It's the key to building relationships with your audience. The foundation of a successful content strategy is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their interests? What problems do they need to solve? Let's head over to the computer for a live demonstration. As you can see in Facebook Insights, we have valuable data about our audience demographics, location, and even the times they are most active. Knowing your audience helps tailor your content to their preferences and behaviors. Now let's talk about the types of content that work well on Facebook. From images and videos to polls and articles, variety is key. Different content types resonate with different audiences. Let's explore this with a practical example. Here I'm creating a post that includes a visually appealing image, a short, engaging caption, and a call to action button. Remember, mix it up. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses, customer testimonials, and perhaps a live video to keep your content fresh and exciting. Consistency is key to maintaining audience engagement. Establish a posting schedule that aligns with your audience's peak activity times. This keeps your brand at the forefront of their minds. Let's set up a content schedule together on your Facebook page. Click on the Meta Business Suite option here. On the left side, you will find the Planner option. Click on it. Here's a simple content calendar template. You can plan your posts in advance, making sure you have a balanced mix of content types and a consistent hosting schedule. This helps in staying organized and maintaining a cohesive brand voice. And there you have it, your crash course in content strategy. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.